Want to set up a Telegram account without using your personal phone number? Whether it's for privacy or a dedicated business line, using a free virtual number is the perfect solution. As you can see right here, OTP verification codes are rolling in constantly as people set up their accounts in real time. To get your own number, just tap the bot link provided. I'm going to clear the bot's history quickly, just to show you exactly what it looks like for a brand new user. Once you're in, simply tap Start. If it's your first time using the bot, it might ask you to join a specific channel or group to unlock the features. Once you've joined, you'll see an interface just like this. From here, Telegram. You'll see two options, WhatsApp and Telegram. Since we're setting up a Telegram account today, select Telegram currently. Numbers for one country are available, so tap that selection and there it is. Your free virtual phone number has been displayed. To use it, just tap the phone number to copy it. Then head over to Telegram to start your account setup. When it comes to receiving your OTP verification code, you have two very easy methods. First, just paste the phone number back into this same bot. Just copy that code and complete the process. This is the easiest way. Second, you can tap the OTP group button. This directs you to a live group where you can search for your code just by looking at the last 3 digits of your virtual number. As you can see from the timestamps, these codes are fresh and coming in right now. If you face any issues using a specific number, don't worry. You can change it at any time by simply tapping Change Number.